What do you wanna say to my vlog? Hi. Oh. Say hi.
Happy birthday, Ate Abe.
Saan kayo pupunta?
Pumunta kami Baguio.
Baguio City.
Nandito na nga kayo.
Nasa Baguio na pala.
Hi, Kuya Jay. Hi, Ma. Hi, Ma. Hi. Oh, ikaw, Be. Oh, say hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. We're here na sa car. Let's go explore Baguio. Abe, anong gagawin natin? We're gonna go to the park to ride a bike. And a horse. Maria pa yung horse,
Punta rin ba tayo ron?
Okay. Hi guys, so today we are at Mines View Park with the fam.
The fam. With the fam.
Yeah, no. We're here. So this is our first destination and our Baguio trip. Ito yung pinakauna namin pinuntahan today. Because, ayun, I think the plan is to go yung mga mas malayo sa hotel namin palapit. So,
May mga bulalo
ayan. Hi guys, hiningal ako. But we just got back sa taas. And there's sa baba. Kaya hiningal ako. And it's raining. Kakaloka, it's raining. Kaya hindi ako makapag-video ng maayos. So, I try to document as much as I still can. Kasi nga, muulan. Hi guys, so we're currently walking pero we're still here at the right park. So nagpunta lang kami for a bit dun sa may yung the mansion, and now we are supposed to go somewhere downstairs daw, ganun I think. Basta parang may pababa, ganun, to see the horses. I think, yun yung sabi ni ate. There are horses there, and the little kid kasi I think wants to ride the horse. And ayun, so very excited na siya to go there. Hi guys! So it's already night. I'm not sure what time it is. And kanina pa kami nandito sa hotel room. Hindi lang ako nakapag-video agad kasi nalobat ako. So, ayun. Ngayon lang ako nag-video. But basically, wala na rin naman kaming pinuntahan after going back here at around 3 p.m. I think. Kasi nga lumakas na yung rain. So now that it's night time, na-try namin lumabas to go to the cafe. Just right next to the hotel that we're staying at. So, I'll try to document that then to make up for the lost time na hindi ko na-record kanina. So, hi guys! Ayan ang drip check.
Ay, video pa na yan.
Ay din, drip check. Ba't tumingin ka? We're outside the guys, and as you can see, it's still raining. Grabe, it's still raining. Here are the peeps. Malamig ang gabi. Show them your huggy wuggy. Oy! Guys, grabe. Grabe yung fog. Grabe na to. Guys, grabe talaga ang fog. Grabe! Ano? Grabe yung fog. Ayan, bulok guys. Hi guys. So, nakauwi na kami kanina pa mga siguro around 12:30 a.m. Kasi yun nga, naglakad-lakad pa kami sa labas. So, ayun. Basically, medyo bungi-bungi na naman yung vlog ko, but I did try to document everything as much as possible kahit pa nga umuulan and all of that. Plus, ayun, malapit na talaga akong lamunin ng katamaran, but I really want to finish this video. So, ayun. This ends the day 1 of our Baguio trip. So, watch out for day 2 or / pala, the last day of our Baguio getaway, which is later. Hindi na tomorrow kasi nga, anong oras na. So, bye!